Hair loss has become such a problem for so many people. As we know, 50% of patients who present have already lost 50% of their hair. Therefore, at our center, what we have done is we are putting together PRP, which is platelet-rich plasma, and using amniotic fluid, which has a multitude of growth factors that we know help with that sometimes inflammatory process that has caused the hair loss. Thereby putting these two great regenerative capacities together, the expectation is phenomenal to help you with your hair loss. We look forward to that consultation and trying this new procedure on you.